My pear story. So my first 5 pears I did on student grade wood pulp paper, 140 pounds. So for number 6 here, I thought, oh, let me go with the Arches cotton paper, 140 pounds. So here's the initial step, and not really trying to paint the whole pear, but just lay down some circumstance and facets, and hopefully this is gonna end up causing depth or circumstance in the painting. I put the shadow in there, including the shadow of the stem, even though I hadn't painted the stem yet. And so very cautiously working along, and okay, here comes the big stem. And I don't know, it wasn't really looking great, but so this was like the final phase right here, and fix up the shadow a little bit, and I don't know if it really looks that great. It's all right. That's number 6, and that's my pear story. I thought I was going to paint 100 pears. I don't know if I'm really going to do that. This is only 6. Took over 3 days. There it is. And then here's a review of the other 5 pears. And good experience. And I guess there was some improvement. That was the second one. That was the first one. And that was number 5. Pear fun.